In this video, we will show you how to replace your headlamp mounting pin on the Chevy Silverado. You'll have two of these, one holding each headlamp in position. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. This is going to be very simple overall. Take hold of your headlamp mounting pin, give it a little twist upward, unlocking it from its locked position. Once you've done so, we'll continue pivoting it all the way forward, and now we can slide it towards the center of the vehicle to remove it. There it is, friend. Okay, let's get ready for our installation. To do this, you want to make sure that you have your headlamp in the proper positioning. We'll take that pin and slide it through from the inboard side here all the way through to the outboard side. When you start bringing it through, you don't necessarily need to bottom it out because we do need to swing this end over into the locked position. Double check to make sure your headlamp is completely secured to the vehicle. Okay friend, we finished our installation. At this point, you can go ahead and do the same exact thing to the other side of the vehicle, close the hood, and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.